Let's memorize the 12 cantons of Luxembourg. The 12 cantons are, perhaps you know them, Capellen, Clairvaux, Diekirch, Echternach, Esch-sur-Alzette, Grevenmacher, Mersch, Redange, Remisch, Vianden, Wils, and of course Luxembourg. How we can memorize that we can call it freely. Only combine every first letter of all country with a word in a sentence that you imagine for yourself. For example, I have imagined my sentence, but you can imagine your sentence. It's better when you use yours. But my sentence is: my computer entered red elephants with great Luxembourgish vaccinated dogs called Rambo. Okay, it make a lot of sense, but it has to be created. So even if you have to laugh about this, then you remember it better. So that's because for every first letter you have a country. My is Mersch, computer is Capellen, entered is Echternach, red, Redange, elephant is Esch-sur-Alzette, with is Wils, great, Grevenmacher, Luxembourgish, Luxembourg, vaccinated, Vianden, dogs, it's Diekirch. The other C is Clairvaux, called Rambo, that's Remisch. So you have all the countries in one sentence. You only remember the sentence and then you remember all the cantons. But now how to combine the cantons from the south, the cantons from the north, the cantons from the east, and the cantons in the center. Because in the south there are Capellen and Esch-sur-Alzette. In the north there are Clairvaux, Diekirch, Redingen, Vianden, Wils. In the east there are Echternach, Grevenmacher, Remisch. And in the center there are Luxembourg and Mersch. So also imagine 4 sentences for the south, for the east, for the north, for the center, and that's it. Then remember that more easily than the countries. For my sentence in the south is: in the south they eat cars. So the eat, E says Esch-sur-Alzette, and cars, the C is Capellen. So Esch, Capellen in the south. So in the north, they drink really cold, red, vaccinated water. Wow. So that's also in the north, they drink that's Diekirch, really Redange or Redingen, cold, it's Clairvaux, vaccinated, Vianden, water is the Wils. And for east I have this sentence: at the east they have great red eggs. Okay. So at east they have great Grevenmacher, red Remisch, eggs is Echternach. And in the center they are more Luxembourger. More, it's Mersch, Luxembourgish, yes. So with some tricks like this, you can memorize more things and combine them together. See you in next video.